So here we are, just arrived, 2020 Toyota GR Supra, and I wanted to document the unboxing and the preparation of the Supra. And this car literally just arrived a few hours ago, and I am taking delivery in a few days when it's all ready and to go. And but I just want to show you guys what it looks like when it arrives at the dealership. It still obviously has all the coverings and so forth. They just began to do some of the prep work because it requires a whole bunch of things to be done on this car. Everything from the brakes to the license plate frame has to be installed. I know some people don't want that installed, but I don't mind that. And then there's lots of work to be done to clean up the car. Obviously, all the wrapping stuff to come out. These are the protection on the door as well. And the inside is fully covered with plastic and other protective materials. And they have to hook up to a computer here, which is not in the car right now, to reset and enter codes so that everything from the navigation to the stereo system will be reactivated properly. And most important of all, they have to remove the limp mode, or transport mode they call it, because in that mode the car can only move so fast, and so they'll remove that restriction on the car. And then the whole process will start with the cleaning up. This car, it just arrived, so obviously it's very dirty still, but I wanted to show everyone what the Supra looks like when it's literally just arrived. And it's still very exciting to see it, even though the car is dirty. It's still got some of the quality control symbols. These stickers are placed for quality control reasons, and the tires are still very dirty. But again, they began to do the PDI on the car, and there's quite a bit of work to do. I think it's still several hours of work to do on this car, and I'm very excited to see how this will evolve. So I'm going to continue to document the experience of receiving the Supra until it's finally ready for delivery as a brand new car. And even though the 2020 Supra has many components shared with the BMW, it is still a Toyota, which means it has many of the documentation and paperwork that is very Toyota-ish, because it has quality delivery checklist. It has all the standard procedure for setting the car up, as well as a pre-delivery checklist that goes through everything from functional operation to walk around, engine check. They have to put all the fluid in. They have to check underneath the car. They will go through a road test and to make sure that everything from tire pressure monitoring system to cruise control and other features are working properly, and they do a final inspection and cleaning. So these are all the elements involved in unboxing and preparation of the 2020 Supra. And I am very excited to see this come into shape step by step. And I'll continue to showcase everything to do with Supra.